Hey there guys! To ensure my notification top-ups, please subscribe and make a ting-tong of this tin little bell logo. Thank you.
Hey there guys, this is Smit here, and in this video we'll be doing an unboxing and very first look for Mi Band 3. So lot of you guys have requested me to unboxing this device, so I just ordered the same from Amazon and right just now it got delivered to my address. So without any further delay, let's just jump right into my content. Well, before I proceed for the video, I just wanted to make a apology to you guys. A lot of you guys feel my English accent is not proper and I am overreacting, but that's not the case. I try to make the best out of me, and there is no such thing that I make it fake or I make it out the way. It's just a suggestion that I demand from you guys, so please suggest me how to improve myself and I shall be doing that for you guys for sure. And please guys, do subscribe the channel, so once I hit 1000 subscriber or 2000 subscriber on that mark, then I can think some small giveaway every month. So that's what my plan is for you guys, to make a giveaway for each and every month. That shouldn't be a big one, but yeah, that will be quite good and that could be helpful for you. So for that case, I need your most of the support, so please subscribe to the channel as soon as you see the video and drop the notification icon that you don't miss any further content. Enough of advertisement, and just this is the box itself. It looks more or less like Fastax Reflex, the transparent kind of box. Here MI it is written. Here are some infos. 2199, but I got it on 1999 price from Amazon. So let me unbox it, and I don't have any knife as of, so I'm just using my nail cutter to unbox this device. So let me unbox it first. Let me zoom out. Yeah, so do we have, yeah, so here's a little tearing indication. Yup, so it has come out. So here's the Mi Band 3. Looks quite good, I would say. I believe this is a sticker, so you can certainly have a look at the Mi Band 3 here. Taking it off, here is one more position to take this thing off. I just keep it aside and we see what else does come in the box as well. So here we do have a, just a minute, it is taking a little bit of focusing problem. Yeah, so we do have a band. So band's quality, and in the previous Mi bands we do have a complaint that even Mi Band 2 I had used for a good amount of time, so that has a complaining of it is coming out of the band after a longer time of usage. So this is not the case with the same. I hope this wouldn't be the case with the same, I mean to say. And let me take it out as well. So we do have a charger as same as like Mi Band 2 and some documentation. So yep, that's what it is, unboxing. So let's concentrate on the hero of the story itself here, the Mi Band 3. I believe it has to be taken out like this. Yeah, so it has come out. Let me remove the sticker here. Let me, yeah, I thought it will make some sound. Let me turn on and see if there is any juice left onto this device. Yeah, so it is left. It is saying pair device first. So I am recording this video with my Pixel 2 XL, so I cannot pair it right now. So I'll be just using it for 1 or 2 solid weeks and will be explaining you each and every feature. But I hope you have seen this already from lots of the YouTubers, and as per their comment, the Mi Band 3 has to be better than the Reflex version 2.0. So I hope that too, because Mi Band 2 was already better than Reflex version 1, and Reflex version 2 is all details videos are there into my channel, but that is not quite as good as Mi Band 3 is supposed to be. So this is what it is. So thanks for watching. Let me put into the strap once and let me show you guys how does it look. Not very sure which way. Let me try this way at least once. So yeah, this has been settle down into the device. Let me weight this and show you guys. I hope it should look good to my wrist because I have a very small and thin wrist, so every watch doesn't suit to my wrist. Yeah, so not looking bad either. So what I'll do is I'll be doing a full in-depth review. I'll be using it with my possibilities, and I'll be doing a full in-depth review for this Mi Band 3. So drop me out any suggestions you have, and thanks for watching. It's been Smit with you guys, and again a small request, please subscribe to the channel, and that's what I can ask you guys for. And please do give this video a like and share this if your friend want to get it as soon as I keep my further. It has given me a haptic feedback, and it's telling charge battery is showing 10%, and the feedback I got, it is not so bad. I'm not so ultimate to die for, but that is still good. So thanks for watching. It's been Smit with you guys, and I'll catch you guys in my Mi Band 3 full review. Until then, bye bye now.